here, look! Try again. Did you see it? This car won't start no matter what. Do you know why? Let's go to the front. The owner went to the repair shop and cleaned the throttle valve. The spark plug and ignition core ring were replaced. Even cleaned the oil lines of the entire car. But the problem still exists today. I'm here to help him find out what's going on. In fact, when I first saw this car, I knew what was wrong. Come here. That's it. It's called the EGR valve. I suspect there is something wrong with it. Let's take it apart and take a look. Let's find a 13mm socket tool. Come over. There's a screw on this. Unscrew it. There's a connector on it. Disconnect it. You can take it off now. Okay, the cause of the problem was found.